Well, we're accepting the fact that we're going to be a while without getting our bathroom done. So Neil's puts some of our extra carpet in here just to clean it up and make it look not quite so bad.
Yeah.
As opposed to like the cement showing.
Dusty and stuff.
Yeah, and here we have our suitcase from China. That, what is it now? It's July the 12th or 13th, and we came back from China on June the 11th. So it hasn't been opened in a month, and it's got all our tea and our silk in there.
Our trinkets.
Our trinkets. So it'll be interesting to see. Hopefully everything's fine and the tea's not moldy, considering there's about $1,000 worth of tea. Well, so far so good.
What do you reckon?
Well, it's all intact.
Yes, it's all
So
looking good.
Tea. I can get this out.
Fan. That's Charna's biggest fan.
More tea.
No, those are the pills, aren't they?
Oh no, oh, I forgot. We got pills we gotta take.
Pill teas.
Pill teas. Oh, this is Terracotta Warrior. What's that?
Surprise packet.
Oh, that's our nice little fan.
Oh, the stand thing.
Stand thing.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes. Every house needs one.
Yeah, that we've got nowhere to put it. This is our Terracotta Warriors with our certificate of authenticity.
Yes, because there are charlatans that make pretend ones that aren't real terracotta, apparently.
Yeah.
This one was bought actually at the museum.
Oh, cool.
And there we go.
Yeah, they look good.
Come in here for a close-up. Wow.
Yeah, they look good.
Yes.
And then here's our
The silk.
silk. So that's our silk bedspread, which you'll see later on the bed.
Didn't we buy a doona?
Yes, it should be here.
The other side. Woohoo! Yes. Aha.
Oh yeah, so those are that's our silk,
Pillows, is it?
I think so, pillows. And this should be our silk doona. And this little thing supposedly will keep you warm
40,000 silkworms to make one of those.
to make one of these.
But it's very light but warm.
This is our tea.
And then it's the special tea. And then this is that's our climb the wall thing.
Climb the wall, I think.
Yep.
Neil and Charna.
Yes.
One who fails to reach the Great Wall is not a hero.
Yes, we're heroes.
And I'll just quickly get the other stuff so you can quickly see it. That's just another Terracotta Warrior, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, hang on, that might be the marble or the jade.
No, it's the Emperor.
The Emperor for the warriors.
Emperor Terracotta Warrior.
Yeah.
So our jade.
That would be the jade ball, probably.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's the jade ball.
That would be the chariot.
Should be, yeah. And those would be our
Lions?
money. Our money.
Lines.
Money serpents? Money dragons.
Lions.
Money dragons.
Okay. All right. Good. I'm going back to work.
Yep. Just
Oh, hang on.
gotta see this. This is beautiful.
There it is. The chariot.
Yeah.
Get an
Cost quite
overhead
some.
view.
Ooh, how exciting. Neil has installed the dishwasher where
He's a champion.
he's a champion.
A legend.
At this stage, no leaks. And I know you would think things would look much better, but we just had lunch, sitting out in our favorite spot. And it's all looking more of a disaster area than before. But that's because I've actually sort of started the spare bedroom, and I've pulled out all the shoes that we need to find somewhere for. And this is my new shoe cupboard. So all of that has to go in there, or it's going to Goodwill. Eek. And now the office is a hell of a mess again. And our bedroom, where we decided to put that headboard back in here again. We've got our silk duvet and cover out, ready to get it put on. So everything looks like a hell of a mess again, which it is. But it'll get there. Moving's fun. Ooh, and there's lots of noise coming from the dishwasher, so that's a good sign. This is its virgin run. I haven't had a dishwasher for 8 years, so that'll be quite a novel thing. So it's the finishing touches that take time.
Yeah.
And the old boy now has been painting the new cupboard, just trimming
Sealing
it
the
up.
raw edges, and then we'll do wall color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And hear that? That's our dishwasher doing its maiden run.
Maiden run.
So today has just been farting around with little stuff. Again, doesn't look like much has been done, but I have got rid of the shoes. And our shoe cabinet now holds all the shoes. Boots are there. And we have only one bin to store away. Where did I put it? That's it. Down there under the bag with summer shoes. So pretty happy with that.